Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can align your components to your PCB. So let's get straight into it. So you have uh, one component that you want to place somewhere on your uh, PCB. Now what you need to do, if you want to, you can go here to the edit, align. And now you have here a bunch of options how to align this component. Or you can also align it if you just hit the space button on your keyboard, and you can circle around with your component um, on 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 your PCB. So you have two options basically. Align it right here. So I can try to show you if it will work. Or you can just do it with your space button on your keyboard. So it was short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, consider to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.